Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss variation. So we have four kinds of variation. First, we have the direct or proportional variation. Second, we have the indirect or inverse variation. Third, we have the joint variation. And the fourth one, we have the combined variation. So we're going to discuss those as we go on with some word problem here related to variation. So we will discuss first this example. We have if y varies directly as x and y is equal to 8, when x is equal to 24, find y when x is equal to 6. So we need first to make the equation. So y varies directly. So we have y varies directly as x. So if it is varies directly, y is equal to k as x. Okay, so why do we have k? The k here is the constant. Okay, so next we're going to have the given. So what are the given? In here, meron tayo y is equal to 8. And then when x is equal to 24, find y. When x is equal to 6. So first, we need to find k. By how? Gamitin muna natin yung first two given here. So we have y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 24. So, i-substitute lang muna natin yan sa ating ginawang equation. So, isulat natin ang mga given. Given y is equal to 8. X is equal to 24. Okay. Next, anong hinahanap natin? Y. Sulatin natin. Y is equal to question mark. Kasi yun ang hinahanap natin. And then x is equal to 6. So in here, ang gagamitin muna natin para makuha natin si k ay ang unang dalawang given. Yung y at saka x. So substitute lang natin sa ginawa nating equation based on the given problem. So y is equal to 8. Substitute lang natin 8, copy k, kasi k ang hinahanap natin, and then ang x natin ay 24. Okay, next. Since ang katabi na number ni k ay 24, so i-divide natin both side ng 24. So divided by 24, divided by 24. So cancel na natin ang 24, ang matitira ay si k, and then 8 and 24. Kung napapansin natin, ang numerator ay mas maliit sa denominator. Pero, pareho silang divisible by 8. Kaya, i-divide na lang natin siya para makuha natin ang lowest term. 8 divided by 8 ay 1. And 24 divided by 8 ay 3. Okay, so ang k natin ay 1/3. Okay. So, pag nakuha mo na si k, gagamitin mo ulit ang ating equation. Okay? So, isulat natin sa equation dito, y is equal to kx. Ngayon, since ang hinahanap natin ay y, so, isubstitute na lang natin si x dito, at saka yung nakuha nating k. So, y is equal to, ang k natin ay 1/3 multiplied with our x, which is, ang given x ay 6. Okay. So, multiply. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. And then, copy 3. Anyways, Review, ang pag-multiply ng fraction and whole number times the numerator. So, 6 times 1 is 6, and then just copy the denominator. Next, of course, simplify. Y is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, ang ating Y ay 2. Nakuha? Ulitin natin. So, una, pag nagdi-deal tayo ng problem like this, kailangan muna nating i-equate ang given problem. So, gagawa tayo ng formula or equation from the problem. Pag nakuha na natin, isulat natin ang mga given. Okay? So, pag nakuha na ang given, kukunin muna natin si K. Okay? Kukunin natin yung constant. Ang K ay constant. Then, gagamitin muna natin yung first two given. Okay? Yung X and Y. Para makuha si K. So, substitute. And then, makukuha na natin si K. Pag nakuha mo na si K, gagamitin mo ulit yung equation. So, yung equation ngayon, isa-substitute mo na yung nakuha mong K at saka yung pangalawang given na. So, i-substitute mo siya and then perform the operation. Pag na-perform mo yung operation na, makukuha mo na yung value ng hinahanap mo. Okay? So, that's for equation or example number 1. So, bibigyan ko pa kayo ng dalawa pang example. Okay, example number 2, we have here, if A varies inversely with B and B is equal to 4 and A is equal to 1/2, find A when B is equal to 18. So, the first example is direct. Okay, direct variation. For this example, ito ay inverse variation. So, if A varies inversely with B, so, i-equate muna natin siya. So, if A varies inversely with B. So, ang B natin ay nasa baba, ang K natin ay nasa taas. Okay? So, ganyan siya pag inverse. Ngayon, susunod, isusulat natin ang mga given. So, ang ating mga given, ang unang given ay B is equal to 4 and A is equal to 1/2. And then, another given, we're looking for A, question mark, and of course, B is equal to 18. So, pag nakuha na natin, gaya ng unang example natin kanina, kailangan muna natin kunin ang ating K. So, para makuha si K, isa-substitute natin ang nauna nating given. So, ang ating A ay 1/2. Susulat natin, 1/2 is equal to K over B. Ang B natin ay 4. So, ang gagamitin na natin dito ay cross product since ang A natin ay fraction. So, 2 times K is equal to 2K is equal to 4 times 1 is 4. Ulitin ko, cross product. Okay? Next, isolate K. Paano? I-divide natin both sides by 2. So, cancel. K now is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, ang ating K ay 2. Ngayon, since mayroon na tayong K, gagamitin natin ulit ang ating equation na ginawa. Okay? So, kokopyahin lang. A is equal to K over B. Next, ngayon, hinahanap natin si A. Okay? So, gagamitin na natin ngayon ang ating B dito. So, A is equal to B natin ay 18, and of course, ang ating K na nakuha ay 2. So, i-substitute na natin sa taas. Okay? So, ilo-lowest term lang natin, ang 2 and 18 are both divisible by 2. Therefore, ang ating A ay So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Therefore, ang ating A ay 1/9. Okay, so madali lang, di ba? So, ganyan lang siya kukunin. So, ang example na ito ay inverse variation. Okay? So, ito ang inverse variation. So, bigyan ko pa kayo ng isa pang halimbawa. Okay, so we have another example here. Example number 3. If z varies directly with the square of x and inversely with y, and if z is equal to 8, when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3, find z when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 8. So, at this time, ang example na to ay combination. Okay? It is a combination of direct and indirect. So, first, of course, kailangan muna nating gumawa ng equation based sa problem. So, z varies directly with the square of x. So, square of x, of course, we need the k, which is our constant. Inversely with y. So, inverse baba with y. Okay, so ito na ang ating equation. Ulitin natin. Z varies directly with the square of x all over or inversely with y. So, yung k doon is our constant. Next, sulat na natin ang mga given. So, ano yung mga given natin? Ang first na given ay z, which is equal to 8. Then, x is equal to 4. Next ay y is equal to 3. Another given, meron tayong z, which is, yun ang hinahanap natin. X is equal to 3. And y is equal to 8. Ngayon, gaya ng previous examples, unahin natin gamitin to para makuha natin ang ating constant or k. So, substitute lang natin ang mga given na to sa ating equation. So, we have z, which is 8, is equal to k. Ang x natin ay 4. 4 squared all over y is 3. Next, this is whole number, so over 1. Ngayon, ang gagamitin natin ay cross product. So, 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Then, 1 times k 4 squared is equal to k 4 squared is 16. How? If we say 4 squared, you're going to multiply 4 by itself. Okay? Twice. So, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So, isolate natin si k. Dapat si k lang. Kaya i-divide natin kung ano man yung number na nasa tabi niya. So, 16. I-divide natin ng 16 both sides. Cancel. So, ang ating k ay 24 all over 16, or kung napapansin niyo, 24 and 16 are both divisible by 8. Okay? So, if we divide both numerator and denominator with 8, so 24 divided by 8 is 3. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. So, ang ating k ngayon ay 3 halves. Okay? Yan. So, meron na tayong k. Kung nakuha mo na si k, again, babalik tayo sa ating equation. So, kopyahin si equation. K x squared all over y. Ngayon, ang gagamitin na natin para makuha si z ay ang pangalawang group of given numbers. Okay? So, ang Z, kopyahin. And then, ang K natin ay 3 halves. And then, ang X natin ay 3 squared. All over, ang Y natin ay 8. Okay. So, of course, dito, kailangan i-apply natin ang order of operation. So, balik tayo sa taas. Kasi wala na tayong space. Unahin muna natin ang 3 squared. PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Okay? Order of operation. So, we have 3 halves multiplied by, ang 3 squared ay 3 times 3 is equal to 9 all over 8. Next. So, dito, ang pag-multiply ng fraction at whole number multiplied by the numerator. So, 9 times 3 is 27 over, copy the denominator, halves, divided by 8. Okay? So, pag 8 siya, ang denominator ng whole number na 8 ay 1. Okay? So, anong next? Pareho na silang fraction. Ang pag-divide ng fraction, kailangan nating kopyahin ang first number. So, 27 halves. Proceed to multiplication. Get the reciprocal of the divisor or the denominator. Anong reciprocal ng 8 over 1? Magiging 1 over 8. Pag reciprocal, baliktarin natin. Okay? Ang numerator magiging denominator, ang denominator magiging numerator. Dito, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel kasi wala silang common factor. Hindi rin pwede, hindi pwede. So, ngayon, imumultiply lang natin numerator to numerator. So, 27 times 1 is equal to 27 over 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So, eto na ang ating Z. So, ang value ng Z natin ay, okay, dito na lang ha. So, Z is equal to 27 over 16. Or, pwede rin siyang i-lowest term using mixed number. Kasi, ang numerator natin ay mas malaki sa denominator. Okay, ang shortcut dyan, ilang 16 ang pwede sa 27? 1. Tapos, gagawa ng line in between. Kopyahin lang si 16 para sa baba. And then, isubtract si 27 sa 16. 27 minus 16 is equal to 11. Okay? So, yan ang sagot natin. 27 over 16 or